Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to log into the Surveyaan GeoWorkspace cloud-based photogrammetry software. First, open any web browser and search for the Surveyaan website. Click on the first website that appears. Once the website opens, in the upper menu, you will see a product button. You need to click on it and go to the GeoWorkspace section. Then click on the Login/Register option. If you already have an account, simply click on the Login option. If you are a new user, you can register by following these steps. First, enter your name and surname. This is optional. If you are using a Surveyaan drone ID, click on the Yes button. Otherwise, click on No, then click on Next. Next, select your country and enter your mobile number and email ID. Make sure to provide correct details, as you will receive an OTP on your mobile number and a verification link on your email. Then click on Next. If you have a GSTIN for business purposes, you can enter it to receive tax benefits. If not, select Continue as Individual and proceed without a GSTIN. Then click on Next. Now, create a password for your GeoWorkspace account and click on Next. Now, your mobile number and email ID will be verified. You will receive an OTP on your mobile. Enter it to verify your number. Then, check your email inbox for a verification link from Surveyaan and click on it to complete the email verification. After completing the verification, you will be able to access the Surveyaan GeoWorkspace dashboard. On the left side, you will find the Profile section where you can view your account details. I hope you understood the complete login process. And thank you so much for watching this video.